seats are still looking dank. That's a good thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. There it is. We got ourselves a nice little wrench, baby. Let's go. So apparently one of my fans just like stopped working, but I don't actually think that's true because I can literally hear it on right now. So I don't know what's going on, dude, but I don't know. I don't believe that. Well, boys, today, obviously, the question is, did I order the wrong turbo? We'll talk about that in a little bit. I got to go do a couple things first. So why don't you come on along with me? Let's find out. Damn. Look at this guy, dude. Dude, this guy, he lives in my neighborhood. I've never met this guy before, but every time I see him on the road, he just rips it by me, dude. It's so funny. Honestly, I have no idea what's done to it. It's probably catalyst and has like some like pops and bang tuna, obviously, as you can hear, but dude, I don't think it's that fast. Like, I'm pretty sure I'd smoke him, but dude, if you watch my channel, leave a comment, let me know, dude, because I want to know what the hell's done to your GTI, brother. I want to smoke you. I just tried to clear that code that I showed you guys earlier and it didn't clear. Unlucky. So I guess I really do have like an issue with my fan, but I can hear it coming on. So if anybody has any insight on that, please let me know. Let's go get this guy, dude. Yeah, boy, we got a pops and bang tune too, don't worry. I really want to race this dude, but I don't want my car to blow up because I really don't know what that is. I guarantee he's going on the freeway. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh, he's gotta go and he's gonna do it. Oh, this is my favorite corner, dude. Oh, dude, this thing handles, dude. Oh my God. This might just be me, but when I see another car, whether it be like a Subaru or like anything that's even slightly modified, I do my best to like do a blow-off valve right in their face. Subaru right here. I just let them know what's up and that they don't have enough torque and that I have all of it. I just very quickly wanted to say thank you to all you guys for all the love on the last video. You guys like absolutely murdered it in the comments and all the stuff about my dad. Like, I seriously appreciate that. You boys are honestly the fucking bomb. I'm not even bleeping that one out. You guys are the fucking bomb. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys don't even understand. So yeah, I just thought I'd say that. Look who it is. Milan?
Good morning.
What's up, dude?
Not much, what's up?
I was just gonna see if you could if I could just take a ride in your car now that you've got the FP Black, if you wanted to be on the channel or whatever. I'm filming right now.
I mean, if you want, I can take you for a couple photos, yeah.
Yeah, I'm down. By the way, no better feeling than being like the first car to not be able to get into the turn lane. Let's go, baby. That's the best feeling. All right, let's go check this thing out. You guys know what it is, baby. You know what the deal is.
You boy, unlucky.
You got the little sticker now?
Oh, actually Cash got that for me.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm really official now. So
Super
everyone that like goes by is like, oh, this kid's like actually a douchebag. Like, he put his social on his car.
Oh, you're stripped now, nice.
Oh, dude, check out my seats.
No, I see them now, yeah. I saw the video.
Yeah, but feel them.
Oh, yeah.
Those are they real seats or are they fake? No, I know that sounds, those are plastic on the back, are they not?
Yeah. I
Yeah?
mean, they look, I mean, dude, it doesn't, who cares? They're seats. They're seats.
Dude, this thing looks the same, but
It's so dirty. It's so dirty.
it was dirty last time I saw it too. It's dirty every time I see it.
We have a lot more people on the channel now. Why don't you reintroduce yourself and just say what's up to you, boy?
Hello, I'm Milad. I don't know what else to say.
We did a review on Milad's car, like the second video on my channel, and it was like, it killed it. We had got like 20,000 views on it. It's pretty solid.
And then I got overtaken by the V8 killer Honda.
Oh yeah, unlucky with that one. Sorry about that.
I should race him. I'd walk
You
him.
absolutely destroyed him.
I'd absolutely gap him.
I
But it's okay.
understand.
It's fine.
I know.
It's cool. So faint.
Oh yeah.
It already did that, but it goes.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I have this like weak.
It holds boost pretty well, like with without flat foot shifting, but
Really?
I've done it a few times and it's kind of sketch.
Dude.
Yeah, we can do a little something.
Yeah, dude, you can feel it in fourth. It starts to like really give you
cool.
like that feeling.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that's so nice.
I did like 4th and 5th on the freeway the other day in Mexico.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, it was gnarly. It felt pretty good. I did a virtual dyno the other day, and it was like a shitty hole. Like you know how if you like don't go straight or you hit dips, it's not like a proper reading. On that, I made like 412 wheel horsepower and 380 wheel torque.
It feels just so much better, and it sounds cooler.
It sounds cooler for sure.
Yeah, it sounds way gnarlier. Oh, yeah, all right. Oh no! Oh, you're sketchy, dude. Okay, you're going down. Don't look at me like that. I don't like you when you look at me like that. Oh, fuck. Oh, you thought that was a cop, didn't you?
I did.
I did too.
I was like, let's just prep. We're gonna dip. I'm going directly over the state lines and back into the U.S.
There you go. That Oh, I hear it. Yeah. Oh, dude, that's so. Oh, Mr. Double Down boy, huh?
We can do more.
No, we don't know.
What's that over there?
Oh, shit. I forgot you like to get sketchy with it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, back in the car, boys. Yeah, so that super is so cool, dude. I love that thing. The external wastegate is super loud. That thing spits flames like an absolute beast. And it's just quick, man. That thing is quick. All right, baby, pulling up to the car wash. Let's get it. This is one of the problems with having race seats. You gotta get way out to grab stuff. Oh, oh God. Woo. Yeah, these things are low, dude. Like, how you boys doing today, by the way? You guys all right? If I never asked that, really. How you guys doing? While we're sitting here waiting for this gate to open, why don't you guys tell me, what do you think about the decision on the hybrid versus the S280? Let me know in the comments, because we're gonna talk about this in a little bit. I'll be honest, that's kind of where I'm going with this, but let me know what you guys think right now down below in the comments. Also, do not forget to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button. If you just come back every time and watch the videos anyways, you might as well just hit the subscribe button, it'll notify you. It's just better that way, boys. You know how it is. Dude, I feel like an idiot. I don't know what to do. It says wait for the attendant, but the dude's like already way up there. I feel like I'm just holding up the line. I hope this guy doesn't get mad. Oh, f it. We're going for it, dude. We're going for it. Yep, we're going for it. Here we go. We did it. We're good. Yep, dude definitely got mad at me. Just gave me a super weird look. I'm hoping I don't crash into the car in front of me somehow, but I think we're good. I'm probably gonna get talked to immediately after, and hopefully my car doesn't get like ruined somehow. But the dude was taking too long, dude. I was halfway through the wash and he comes out like this at me. Huh? All right, we're good. We made it, dude. We made it. We are not doing a bad job. We are okay. Dude, it's so hot today. Oh my God. Hey, you guys wanna know what I finally did? I actually dried my car. Let's go. All right, and here we are. Next day, your boy just completely didn't pick up the camera again at all after that last little scene there, so that's fantastic. Yeah, we're gonna talk about this whole turbo situation, and riding in that car that I was in earlier in the vlog today, or yesterday, is what makes me double question myself. I bought a Whoosh hybrid, as we all know, okay? Down low power and supposedly up top power, okay? I understand that the Whoosh hybrid pulls to like 6,500, 7,000 just fine. It holds 26, 27 PSI on single port, fine. I'm watching these pulls on YouTube, and I swear to God, I can just tell that that's not, I don't think that's the case. Like, I can see that it still has that really strong push, and then it it just ever so slightly starts to die off. And it's not significant at all, right? Like, I understand that it still pulls to 7, but I really am thinking about just getting an S280 because it pulls harder and harder to redline, which I really, really enjoy. As we just saw in the WRX, that's a turbo that spools at 4 and just goes harder and harder and harder and harder all the way to like 7,200 or whatever he shifts at, right? I'm worried that spending the amount of money that I'm spending, I'm not gonna get that feeling. And for just like a little bit more money, I could have had that feeling. So we're gonna still go with the Whoosh Hybrid. I just bought a single port, okay? So we are going single port, that's not even a question. So we're gonna make like 340 wheel horsepower at some point. I don't care where the peak power is at. I guess it's not gonna be at 7. It's probably gonna be more like 6,000 or 5,800 or whatever it is, because it's a hybrid, not, you know, full-blown big turbo, quote unquote. Anyways, let me know what you guys' thoughts are down below about what I'm talking about right now, because if I'm wrong, I hope that I'm wrong. I'm hoping that it just keeps pulling harder and harder all the way to like 7K. That would be amazing. I don't think that's the case, and I'm okay with that, but I hope that I hope that I am satisfied with the performance of the turbo. And if I'm not, it's not like Whoosh's fault or anything. It's my own fault for picking that type of turbo. So worst comes to worst, we upgrade. It's all good, boys. It's all good. I am gonna go inside and finish throwing this video together. If you guys want, you can follow me on Instagram. I just posted a story like it matters, but my Instagram is gonna be right here in front of my face. Bang! So if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, you know, the usual stuff. Other than that, boys, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Damn! Peace.